Hello, our group name is f42 and I will demonstrate the smart contract detection system we made. And first of all, we run app.py program. According to this run out of URL can be logged in the browser to the smart contract detection system. And we can use this smart contract and click detect. And we can see that the report highlight two key security issues in the access control vulnerability contract, specify re-entrance attack and lack of access control. This issue need to be addressed through code audit and fix to ensure the security of the contract and the safety of funds. For re-entrance attack, the chat effort interactions model can be used to define against them. For access control issue, this is a need to ensure that only authorized users can call sensitive functions. And we can choose this compare. And this is a smart contract for compile error. This report is about the result of analyzing smart contract compilation errors. The report indicates that an error was encountered during the compilation process that prevent the contract from being compiled successfully. This report focuses on a syntax error in the smart contract code and a session parsing issue encountered when processing the compiler output. This one, click detect. And the report noticed that the gas limit vulnerability contract has a potential gas limitation issue in the distribute function, which could affect the contract's performance and reliability with a large number of users. There are no other types of security vulnerability in the contract, but in the case of the gas limitation issue, developers may want to consider optimizing the implementation of the distribute function to reduce gas consumption and ensure that the contract operators reliability. One. And the only issue identified in the report was an insecure randomness vulnerability, which needs to be addressed by replacing the random number generator with a more secure one. Other aspects of security are non-existent. The use of weak PRNG functions may lead to predictable results that can be easily manipulated by an attacker, especially in the process of determining winners or random selection. And this one. This report identified a risk of re-entrance attack in the withdraw function of the vulnerable contract. After the external call, the balance state variable is reduced by amount. If a re-entrance occurs during the call operation, an attacker may call the withdraw function again before the balance like msg.sender is reduced, resulting in duplicate withdrawals of funds. binary detect. And this report identified the timestamp dependence block. Dog timestamp is a value that can be manipulated by miners and should therefore not be used as the basis for a random number generator. This weak PRNG could lead to predict results or manipulate results that could compromise the security of the contract. And, this interface defines the basic function and the events required to implement the ERC20, then enabling developers to create compile token contracts. By implementing these functions and events, contracts can interact with other contracts and users, ensuring that the transfer and management of token is transparent and traceable. Next one. And this report noticed that no obviously loopholes has been identified, and here is our smart contract detection system. Thanks for listening.